Storage bag for DJI NEO, the ultimate protective carrying case for your drone and accessories. The storage bag for DJI NEO is a sleek, durable, and highly functional carrying case designed specifically for the DJI NEO drone and its accessories. Crafted with precision and built to withstand the rigors of travel, this storage bag offers comprehensive protection, portability, and stylish design, making it the perfect companion for drone enthusiasts on the go. Key features: 1:1 custom fit. Designed using a real machine 1:1 mold, this bag ensures a perfect fit for your DJI NEO drone, remote controller, RC, N3, and other accessories. Its compact size and large storage capacity allow you to carry everything you need in one place. Integrated molding and double layer Lycra lining. The integrated molding design and double layer Lycra lining provide a tailored fit for your DJI NEO, offering compression, wear resistance, and enhanced durability. Shockproof, waterproof, and fall-proof. Built with shockproof decompression lining, this case protects your drone from impacts, drops, and water damage. The pressure-resistant and waterproof materials ensure your device stays safe in any environment. Eco-friendly and odorless, made from environmentally friendly PU and Lycra materials, this bag is safe, odorless, and designed with sustainability in mind. Portable and travel-friendly, equipped with a removable shoulder strap, this bag can be carried as a crossbody bag or a handbag, making it ideal for travel, outdoor adventures, or everyday use. Specifications: weight, 630 grams. Material, PU plus Lycra. Size, 31 by 23 by 10.5 centimeters, 12.2 by 9 by 4.1 inches. What's included? 1 carrying case. 1 shoulder strap. Why choose the storage bag for DJI NEO? This storage bag is more than just a carrying case, it's a complete protection solution for your DJI NEO drone and accessories. Its shockproof and waterproof design ensures your equipment stays safe, while the custom-fit interior keeps everything organized and secure. The removable shoulder strap adds versatility, allowing you to carry it comfortably wherever you go. Whether you're heading out for a drone shoot, traveling to a new location, or simply storing your equipment at home, the storage bag for DJI NEO offers the perfect blend of functionality, durability, and style. Keep your drone and accessories safe, organized, and ready for action with this must-have carrying case.